Do you know that this can give you enough cash? You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to start toys business and make good profit. This is one of the most lucrative business you can ever think of. And one of the beautiful thing about this business is that it can start with as low as 100,000 naira and grow very fast. Stick to the end of this video and you will not regret it. You buy it in bulk, and if you calculate it, the cost of one may not be up to 500 naira. And then you get to the market and you sell it very high. Now, it may not be cars, it may be all kind of creatures that children love. Now, the toy business is one lucrative business, and there is sales. The demand is always high because every parent wants his or her child to be happy. Now, most times the children advertise these toys. They help you to advertise. You don't need to advertise any. Have you ever seen any company advertising toys? No. When I bought this for my child, he was so happy. He ran out and showed to other children. Immediately, those children went crying to their parents for this also. Now, assuming I'm a hawker, maybe selling it in a wheelbarrow, push it to the area, and one parent bought it. That is how other parents will buy, because the children nearby will start crying and disturb, and sometimes it becomes so embarrassing that the parents don't have any option than to buy for his or her child. There are two ways you can actually carry out this business. Number one is either you have 100,000, between 100 and 250,000 naira, and you want to start small. If you are starting small, you don't need to rent a shop. Get a wheelbarrow. You don't need to be shy. Get a wheelbarrow, get something mobile, and sell this in streets. That way you are going to sell faster. Now, if you rent a shop, you may sell, but you should know that children may not be able to locate your shop. Now, if you have from 1 million naira up and you want to invest in toys business, it's very good and lucrative. And now, if you invest that kind of amount, you don't just go to the shop, fold your hands. I want you to employ this strategy. Number one, you can employ 4 persons to be selling for you. Now, those people come in, sign, you give them maybe 300 pieces to go out with. Any day they go out, they get their commission, and then you make your profit. This is a lucrative business. It's a lucrative business, self-advertising business. If children discover that this is what you're selling, that area, there will be children. And then one thing, parents will be avoiding that lane, because every child passing by will point at one toy or the other. Step into toys business and make profit. This is one beautiful business that you can step in and smile to the bank. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on that notification bell. See you in our next video. Don't forget to drop a comment, like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.